So, here's the problem, that if you have got your chair, and you're sat down in your chair, and then you want to tuck your chair under the dining table, it's kind of like you have to lift the chair, give it your best shot, lift the chair and shuffle it forward. I'm sure you can do it for real, Joe.
I'm reenacting a weakened person.
Right. But if you are a person of a certain age, my dear old dad, that operation is actually quite difficult because you've got to pick up the chair and sort of walk forward while partly crouched down while holding the chair. So what we need is the what are we going to call it? The Dinolux chair version 1.0, which is just fine. It's all sat on the ground at the moment. So just to demonstrate that the chair doesn't roll around at the moment, please. It's on its feet. Good. Okay. You can use the armrests to lower yourself down into the chair. And now let's put it into the heading forward mode. Good. And away you go. And you just roll forward and you're there ready for your dinner. No lifting of the chair and walking along partially crouched. And then when you're done, in fact you don't want your chair rolling around while you're having your dinner, so you can pop it back again. Right. And now your chair, give it a little rock and we'll show that it's steady. Okay, and now you've finished your dinner. Yes.
Very nice.
Ready to stand up. So here. We're now on the wheels, and away you go. Move back. And you don't want to push yourself up on that because it will shoot away from underneath you. So put the chair into non-rolling mode. And you can push yourself up on the armrests. And away you go for the rest of your day.